How to delete your current city on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your current city on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click this three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings and then profile information, and here you will find the current city. Just click this pen here and click delete and click yes, and as you see current city has been deleted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.